Today, we're diving into some exciting leaks and updates about the highly anticipated iPhone 17 series, set to release in September 2025. Let's get started. First off, the iPhone 17 series is already drawing a lot of attention with leaks about its design, functionality, and color variety. While the standard versions are expected to feature familiar tones, the Pro range might come with slight upgrades and possibly a new special edition hue. Design and colors. The iPhone 17 series is likely to see advances in display technology, camera systems, performance, and materials, confirming Apple's leadership in smartphone innovation. Expect a palette of black, white, teal, pink, and ultramarine for the standard models, with slight adjustments giving these colors a fresh look. The Pro variants are set to feature black, white, natural titanium, and desert titanium. Additionally, a limited edition hue in blue, purple, or red could be on the horizon, adding to the Pro lineup's exclusivity. Display and performance. For the first time, the standard iPhone 17 models, including the newly announced iPhone 17 Air, are rumored to boast promotion displays with a 120Hz refresh rate. This will mean smoother scrolling, more responsive touch interactions, and an overall better visual experience. The Pro models will continue to have this feature, ensuring they remain the go-to choice for those seeking premium performance. By bridging the gap between the standard and Pro models in terms of display quality, Apple is making high-end technology more accessible. iPhone 17 Air. One of the most interesting additions is the iPhone 17 Air, an ultra-thin handset focused on portability and elegance. With a rumored thickness of just 5.56 mm, it combines lightweight construction with robust performance. Its single-back camera and minimalist design make it a fantastic choice for users who value simplicity and convenience. The iPhone 17 Air is set to redefine expectations for compact smartphones, blending elegance with functionality. Camera enhancements. Apple is also revamping the camera design with a horizontal camera bar, potentially replacing the previous vertical setup. This modern update will offer a fresh look while maintaining Apple's sleek design. The Pro models are expected to feature a 48MP telephoto lens with improved zoom capabilities, appealing to photography enthusiasts and multimedia creators. These enhancements could set a new benchmark for smartphone photography. AI and processor upgrades. Apple's latest moves in AI show promise. While there are some internal challenges, the future of AI at Apple looks bright. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, speculated to feature a more refined dynamic island, is also expected to bring significant upgrades. As we compare the iPhone 17 Pro Max to its predecessor, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, we anticipate major improvements in performance and design. Pricing and availability. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to maintain a similar price range as the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which started at $1,199. However, there are rumors of a potential price increase. The iPhone 17 series is set to release in September 2025, in line with Apple's traditional launch schedule.